Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today we're going to be making a healthy and delicious vegetable curry. And it's going to be very much Desi inspired, using all your very common Desi spices like coriander, cumin, chili, turmeric. So if you guys like curry recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So this recipe is super quick. It starts off with some cumin seeds in a pan with coconut oil. Oh, perfect. All right, so you see how it just kind of foamed up and exploded a little bit? That's perfect. Now you're going to go ahead and add a shallot and some garlic. And fry this up just for a couple minutes. All right, so that looks good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some ginger paste. And now right away, I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables. So I've got potato, zucchini, mushroom, green beans, and carrot. Okay, so next I'm just going to add some spices. So I've got coriander, cumin, turmeric, chili, asifetida, which is like a dried mango powder, and later on I'll be adding a little bit of salt. Give this a good mix. All right, so next I'm just going to go ahead and add my salt. And then tomato puree. And then a cup of water. And mix this around very well. And then the vegetables are also going to release some water, so that's why I kind of put a cup of water for now, and then I can always add more to if it looks like it's a little bit dry. All right, so now what I'm going to do is set this to medium, cover it up, and leave it for about 10 minutes. I am really just looking for those potatoes to be nice and soft. Once that is nice and soft, then your curry is ready to go. Been about 10-15 minutes, and I just checked one of the potatoes and it was nice and soft. Let me show you guys. So there's the potato. Perfect. So it just breaks right apart. And I did go ahead and add another cup of water, but you can totally leave that out. I just like a little bit more broth or jol. That's why I added a little bit more water. But if you like it kind of a thicker consistency, then don't add any more water, except for that first 1 cup that we did. So that looks perfect. All right, and then you also have the option of adding paneer to this. I wanted to keep it completely veggies only, which is why I didn't add any cheese. But if you want to add paneer, you can totally do that as well. So again, I got myself a bowl of rice, just brown rice. Go ahead and scoop that up. Yum, just look how nice that color is. It's perfect. All right, and then I also tasted for salt and it was perfect. I added a little bit more than the initial salt that we added. So there you guys go. All right, taste testing. Whew. Wow. Honestly, that cumin that we fry up right in the beginning is key because it just flows through every layer of flavor, and it's just such a prominent, distinctive flavor. I absolutely love it. So, so good. And then just the veggies are nice and soft, and it's a perfect kind of side dish to any gathering that you have. If you have a lot of meat dishes already, this is a perfect veggie dish. Alright guys, so if you like curry recipes like me, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Perfect veggie dish. Have all your usual Desi spices, especially